I'm Sierra from Anime Beauty by S&D, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. So it is currently about 5:30 in the morning and I have people who live in my house, so I am going to try and be as quiet as I can. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. So I'm going to start by making my breakfast, and I make myself a breakfast sandwich every morning. I'm going to start with an egg, and then I just break it into a bowl, which is pretty standard. You just try to break the egg and not get any eggshells in. I'm sure most of you have broken eggs before. Then I just add some salt, pepper. Sometimes I add garlic, and then I whisk that together and I put it into this little thing, which I don't actually know where we got it from. But you can make 2 eggs in it. I just make 1, but it makes them into a circle, so then it is like a breakfast sandwich. And then you just pop that in the microwave. For my microwave, it's about a minute. But we also have a new-ish microwave, and it's pretty powerful. Sometimes I'll do a minute, 10 seconds, just so my egg's a little bit more cooked. Yeah, and then I just toast an English muffin, get a piece of, now I'm using a piece of like processed sliced cheddar cheese. I don't really like the processed cheese, I'd rather use actual cheese, but it's 5:30 in the morning. I'm sorry, I'm using a slice, it's easy. So I'm going to pause that there, and then when I come back, I'm going to be making you guys, not making you guys my lunch, but actually, you know what, I might make some potatoes this morning too, only because I have a little bit of a later start today, so my lunch is going to be later, so I want a bit more food to kind of fill me up. But if I decide that, and when I decide that, I'll let you guys know. So next time you see me, I'll either be making potatoes or making my lunch. Hey, I'm back. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I did actually decide to cook myself a potato. So I just did one, like, it's a pretty big potato, it was about that big. And then I put it in a frying pan with a tablespoon of olive oil, about half a teaspoon of garlic salt or powder. I'm not normally I'm not normally that meticulous with measurements and how much of stuff I'm making, only because I find that can be kind of triggering for me, but I want to do it today, so then if you guys want to like follow along and eat what I eat, you would know exactly what to do. So yeah, just a quick heads up. So now I'm going to continue to cook that, put my breakfast sandwich together, and then I'll see you guys again. Hey, so I still have my potatoes cooking in the background. I kind of forgot to, because most of the time when you fry potatoes, you either like boil them first or cook them in the microwave or something and then fry them. I forgot to do that, so they're going to take a lot longer. But I'm keeping an eye on it, and every once in a while I'm going to go over and mix it, so if you see a pause on the video, that's why. But I'm going to start making my lunch. First, I'm going to put salad on my lunch. Now, as you guys are going to probably notice in this video and videos in the future I do, if I ever do a eating video again, or a food-based one, I eat a lot of veggies, not a lot of fruit, so I'm well aware. But I got this like pre-packaged salad. It was in a bag thing, so it's good. It's not just like opening the fridge, but it's Southwest salad. It has green leaves, green leaf lettuce, iceberg lettuce, red cabbage, white cheddar. Oh no, I'm sorry, it doesn't have white cheddar anymore because it was in a little packet separate and I already ate that. Carrots, radishes, and then it has more, but those were also in little packages. So I'm just going to put about that much. I'll be right back. Hey, so now I'm actually going to mix a second type of salad. It's this chipotle and cheddar. It's very similar. The only difference is the first salad had like bigger lettuce chunks, whereas this one has really small ones. This one has green cabbage, which I don't remember the first one did. Some more red cabbage, kale, more carrots, and then green onions. So I'm just going to mix a little bit of that in. Now I'm not doing exact measurements with my salad, only because I don't really see the point. I'm just kind of putting it into that container I showed you. And then I just filled it all the way. As you can see, ooh, this would be a good thumbnail. Sorry, don't mind me. I'm trying to work on my thumbnails. Yeah, and then I'm just going to put a lid on that. So that is my salad done. And then I'm going to put in this little cute green container my salad dressing. I'm going to be using this Chipotle Ranch just because the 2 salads that I had, the dressing that came with it was like a Chipotle stuff. I think I still have some left over, but I accidentally spilled most of the dressing in my lunch pail because I kind of forgot to close the container properly, so most of it is gone. Hey, I'm back. So I just cut up about half a cucumber and put it in here. Now I'm probably going to be mixing it in with my salad later. I just didn't want to right now because I didn't want the moistness of the cucumber to make the lettuce of the salad soggy, so I'm packing them separate. And then later, if I decide that, I just want to eat the cucumber on its own or dip it in some of the leftover salad dressing, which is why I brought so much salad dressing, then I can. And if I want to mix up the salad, I can. So it'll depend on how I feel. And then next, I think I'm going to take... Oh, also, I already have about a quarter of an apple and some all-natural peanut butter with a hint of honey packed in my bag. I don't know how much peanut butter because I put the peanut butter and the apple in my lunch actually yesterday. I just hadn't ate it yet. I ate grapes instead. But I didn't really count how much peanut butter I was putting in because, like I said, I don't normally do that. But I'm just calculating for you guys today. So next, I think I'm using this little reusable bag. It's like a sandwich bag, but reusable, just kind of inside out. Hey, I'm back. Sorry, I had to go check stuff on the stove. So next I'm going to be getting, and I already put it in the cup, but a little bit more than a cup of the sour cream and onion flavored smart food popcorn. Looks like that. This stuff is so good. I love regular smart food popcorn. I really love this stuff. Yeah, so apparently the serving size for this is 3.5 cups. I'm doing 1 cup, so sorry, I'm hungry. Yeah. And then I'm putting that in that sandwich bag. Here, I'll try to... See? Okay. And then I think that's it for my lunch. I might pack a granola bar as well, just in case I get snacky, but I'm not at a place where I can really like sit and eat, and the popcorn's kind of messy, so I might grab something that I can just quickly like snack on. Yeah. Either that or I might put grapes in my lunch. I haven't quite decided yet. And I'm probably not going to be showing you guys what I eat for dinner, only because well, that's around dinner time, and that's in a couple hours. But I'm just going to be telling you what I'm having because I'm probably going to be having leftovers, which is cream of mushroom soup. I'm probably going to we have frozen broccoli. I'll probably just cook up about a cup of that. A couple of, actually, I will show you something. These vegetable thins. They're just the vegetable thins original. They're pretty good. I mean, the serving size is about 14 crackers, which I think that's what I had yesterday, honestly, because I had this meal yesterday. It was pretty good. Like I said, I'm doing, like, the soup is leftovers. And then, like I said in a previous video, which if you haven't seen that yet, definitely go check it out. I don't really eat a lot of meat, but meat I do eat, I only try to eat certain kinds. But I had turkey last night, like just sliced turkey breast, I think. I just had it's like sandwich meat, but not, if that makes sense. Or yeah, no, I guess it is. But I had 2 slices of that with my soup and crackers, and I had carrots last night actually, but I don't think we have any carrots left. So yeah, and the meal was delicious. So that's what I'm going to be having for my dinner. Anyways, that is what I eat in a day. Now, the past couple days, I was eating almonds with dark chocolate, and I don't have any left. It makes me really, really sad. But yeah, I'll probably eat some chocolate today too. I don't know. Probably. It's me. I'm kind of obsessed with chocolate. But anyways, that is what I eat in a day. Comment down below if you liked these meals and if you want to see another what I eat in a day video. Anyways, I love you. Cheers!